How you doing? My name is Alex, and I wanted to go over kind of like a step-by-step tutorial for setting up a Blue Yeti microphone and using it with OBS to stream or to make YouTube videos, whatever you want to do. There's a couple things we want to go over with the hardware itself, and then there's a couple things inside of OBS that will help with getting rid of background noise, making the voice clearer, um, things like that. So basically on the microphone itself, there's two little wheels. The top one is going to be the gain. For the gain, you want to set it basically as low as possible, and then you want to crank it up a little tiny bit, just a sliver. That is because the gain is how much noise is being picked up in general. And for certain things like this, you really don't need any gain. You need a little bit, obviously, because you want the microphone to pick up your voice. But, we're not playing music here. We're not doing anything like that. So really, we just need it to be able to pick up our voice. So just adjusting it to that slight little sliver is fine enough. And as you can tell by hearing my voice, it's nothing crazy. So the second option here are going to be basically what is picked up on this microphone itself. For the option that I like, there's a cone that's projected in front of the, kind of like an invisible cone, and it'll pick up everything in that cone. There's different settings for doing interviews where you get a cone here and a cone out that way to another person. There's different settings for, you can get the whole room if maybe you're doing some sort of improv or something and there's a whole room of people saying stuff. I don't know what kind of ideas you got, but the main one we're going to use is just that cone in front of the microphone. Boom. That's all we need. So the option to do that is going to be you can't really see it here. I'll post a picture in the video, but it's going to be the cardioid version. Cardioid is just that cone in front of the mic. That's about it. So yeah, that's pretty much the hardware side of it. If you want to get filters for the front of it to kind of suppress noise or catch all your spit pretty much, you can, but I find that the software filters and noise suppression and stuff like that, those work fine. I don't really need anything extra. It's fine. So yeah, let's go into OBS. So these are my settings. I just got some stuff here. Nothing crazy. This is just for the video. But the main thing we're worried about is this mic/aux right here. Now, if you're talking into the microphone and you're not getting anything picked up, the first thing you're going to do is going to click this gear button. You're going to click properties. And you're going to want the Yeti stereo microphone selected, obviously, because that is what we just bought or what we want set up. And that is what we're trying to take advantage of. So select this and we can get going with that. So now you should see at least this little volume here. It may be going crazy. It may be really quiet down here, but we can adjust some of those things. So if it is really quiet, you're going to want to increase the gain a little bit. Or you can increase this little bar here. I just leave it on 100%. But yeah, that's very uncommon. If you're having issues with that, those are easily fixed. Gain increase or just that volume there. The second thing we want to go over is filters. So if you are talking into your microphone or you're filming a video or you're streaming and you got a ton of background noise, you got, you know, like I said, I got my mouse back here. He's loud. I got AC right above me. I got my laundry going on here and there. My girlfriend's always watching TV, stuff like that. We have all those things going on. The main thing we want to get rid of, or we want to get, sorry, is going to be this noise suppression. And you can, by the way, get more filters by clicking this plus symbol here. And you can get all of them in here. So noise suppression is the first one we want. And there's only one option we can change on here. So what we want is RN noise. It's the highest quality. It makes you seem more professional. It gives you a clear voice. Nothing going on in the background. There is another option. This is if you kind of have like a budget PC, lower CPU usage. This is, it's not the best, but if you need to use it, you definitely can. It still does the job, but RN noise is just going to be the higher quality option. So we want that. Compressor. The main job of a compressor is to increase your voice if you're being too quiet, or lower your voice if you are screaming into your microphone. You can leave all the settings here the same. Right out of the gate, they are totally fine. I increased my output gain a little bit because I have a very quiet voice. It was set at 0. I just put it at 1. It's nothing crazy. If you get these filters, they're going to be pretty much the exact same as mine are right now. So yeah, we got these. Noise gate is also pretty important. I haven't found it to be super effective, but it does help a little bit. So the main thing with this is when you are not talking, it doesn't pick up all the clicks on your keyboard. It doesn't pick up the clicks from your mouse. It will pick that stuff up while you're talking, but it reduces it a little bit. So basically I have mine at -45 and -40. A big thing that you want to kind of recognize with this is you want a 5 number difference here. You can move these up and down however you like, whatever you think is the best thing for you, but you always want a 5 number difference. The rest of the stuff you don't have to mess with. You can, but I wouldn't. They're there for a reason. Don't really mess with them. But yeah, those are the 3 filters. Those help everything kind of come together and sound cleaner. Get rid of the noise in the background. Yeah, that's about it. Honestly, quick little guide here. Nothing crazy. But yeah, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments. Like the video if you appreciated it. Subscribe if you want more stuff. I do some reviews, some World of Warcraft videos. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Thank you.